How to download music from YouTube to MP3. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily download MP3 music from YouTube that's completely free. So the first thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then simply visit youtube.com. I'll just go to YouTube, and once you visit YouTube, make sure you're logged into the account. These musics right here are completely copyright free, which you can use without any problem. So I can tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, just like so. And then from here, you want to go to YouTube Studio. Click on it. Once you get to YouTube Studio, you'll find your channel dashboard on the left-hand side. You basically have to scroll down until you find audio library. Click on this, and then you'll find a list of sounds provided by YouTube itself, which you can use on your own video, and you could also host these music on other platforms as well. They're completely copyright free. Now, there are about 792 audio that you can explore. You can go to next page by clicking on this arrow icon and find the music that you like. Once you found the music, you can hover your mouse over this. Let's say if I just want this music right here that's I'm giving up, I can just hover my mouse over the date added and then click on download. It's going to automatically start downloading right here, and if I just click on it, it will start playing right away. I'll just select media player for now, and then I'll just do just once, and it's going to easily start playing the audio in MP3 format. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.